Now that the gutter rails are in, they have to be held very secure so that the towers can be installed on the back of the boat. Some of the framing at the midsection of the boat has to be pulled out to make room for the second spacer.
That's number 2.
A lot more measuring is required to get these spaces absolutely square to hold everything really secure and in place.
Critical measurement for it is the inside face of that gutter there, because that's the bit that controls the...
Right.
Which is why I made the spacer that way.
Okay. Ain't going nowhere.
These are the bits that I cut off before and I kept them, but now I'm going to use them up.